Snipe Squad, we're going on, boy. I'm talking about on. It is your boy Sniper Jones, and welcome back to another video, boy. Today, we lit. Now, I know all my other videos, I'm probably talking about shoes, sneakers, this, that. We're gonna get to that a little bit later, boy. But today, my brother, the Phenom, Junior himself, got a game, and we about to ball, boy. See, today, he got an AAU game. He getting ready to go off to school. So early, before he go off to school, he trying to get this work. He trying to get this work. So that means he got to go tighten up his skills, you know what I'm saying? Go get some buckets and duckets. So we headed to what high school, bro? Hey, my man. What high school we going to? Hey, come on, introduce yourself to the vlog, boy. Come on now. Come on down. Come on. Come on, nigga. Say we're going on, boy.
What's up, man?
We're going on. Yeah, he a little bit taller than me, but I'll bust his ass. Go on, get out. Anyways, we about to hit the road. We might be a little bit late. I got the homies with me. They're in the back. They're gonna be in the vlog as well. And hopefully he you know what I'm saying? Use the family name right. Hopefully, you know, he ball out. So I will catch up with y'all soon. And gang. Yo, Dave, yo, this ride is fresh, bro. You know what I'm saying? Show him how you riding, boy.
Shit, man, you know, blue tint.
Yeah.
See the tint.
Okay, what about the wheels, though, boy?
I don't know.
You don't know?
My mom got it.
Your mom?
20 years old.
Okay, boy, I'm about to say, but I know how you riding, boy.
You know,
I see you, boy. Alright guys, so we a little bit late and it look like it's about to rain. My brother got a game at 12:50, it's like 11:50, and where we gotta go is like an hour and some change away. So hopefully we make it on time, but it's on Dave, regardless, cause you driving, my guy. Get us there on time, Dave. Get us there on time.
I wasn't supposed to drive.
I made Dave drive.
That's so dumb.
Yeah, I made him drive, but it's okay because I wanted to vlog, okay? And driving and vlogging ain't the safest thing in the world, okay? So don't do it if you're a vlogger. Hit it, Dave.
Lane closure ahead in 2.3 miles.
What the hell, Dave? This traffic is trash. Dave, why, when you drive, everything goes bad? Every single time. Usually, when I drive, we good. For some reason, when Dave get behind the car, it's thunderstorming. We seen a mini tornado from Stranger Things.
My man's can't drive.
Traffic is just trash right now. So we gonna be late, it look like. But the good thing is though, little bro, I think everybody gonna be late because of this traffic. So maybe we still good.
What about the niggas that stay on the roadside?
I'm just saying, bro. Just about half your team gonna be late because they probably stuck in this too. Sure. Traffic is terrible right now. I'll be damned. Alright guys, we are finally here, and for some reason, as soon as Dave stops driving, the sun is out, it's not raining, and everything is perfectly fine. I know y'all probably wondering, why do I have this book bag? They're like, Sniper, why are you wearing a book bag if your brother's playing? Oh shit, my mic, hold on, gotta get my other piece to my mic. So like I was saying, I know y'all wondering, Sniper, why do you have a book bag if your brother's playing? You not playing. Well, where I'm from, we getting for the free, boy, and I look like I'm like 17, so I'm gonna just wear this book bag like I'm playing, try to walk past whoever I'm supposed to be paying in the front, and just see if I can just ease on in there, bro. So let's see if it's actually gonna work or not, because I ain't trying to pay. Okay, so we in here, and I did get in for the free 99, but the thing is, we wound up being a little late. So my little brother had to run in first, and the game already started. We got like 3 games today. I can't stay here for all of them because I got some stuff to do, but I'm gonna try to get as much B-roll as I can, even though we came late. Hey, bro, we're going on, bro. How much bro dropping today?
I say about like 30.
Yo, bro, you got here late. The game already started. 46? 46? I don't know, man. You know what I'm saying? The game already started. We got here late. It might be a bad one to vlog. I don't even know if you might play for being late. I think it's like second quarter already. Yeah, we that late. The traffic was bad, though.
These niggas made it.
Yeah, I know, right? You already checking me. Good pass. Good shot. Oh, he overjumped that shit. Okay, so the game is over. We wound up taking the L, bro. Took an L. We came late. He did as much as he can. How many do you think he had? Like, he had like 15, even though he only played like the second half. And the way they do it is like 1 half is 20 minutes, second half is 20 minutes. So 15 points in 20 minutes ain't bad at all in my book. But they wound up taking the L by like 6. They was down by like 30 when we got here. The 15 really did help, and he got a lot of steals and a lot of stops. So what I might do though, my man David reminded me, I can vlog on my phone. I don't know what my storage is like on my phone, but this vlog was so dope and I want to continue it so bad. I might just finish the vlog out on my phone because I was stupid enough to not bring my right battery. That's like a rookie mistake. I'm a vet, boy. I don't make those mistakes. So if the rest of the vlog look a little iffy, it's because it's on my phone. Pray for the kid. I appreciate y'all. I'll catch y'all with y'all later. Gang. So the game is over with, and this next game isn't until 6 o'clock. So me, Dave, and Jalil, we about to get up out of here and probably head to the mall because we gotta pass the mall on the way back, and traffic will probably still be bad. So that's just something for us to do to pass time. I don't know what I'm looking forward to because not a lot dropped since the week where the Russell Westbrook 10s, the International 3s, and the Yeezy Butters dropped. So I don't think it'd probably be too much in the mall, but since we're going, I might as well vlog it. I don't know. Let's check it out. Bro, what are we about to eat? I'm starving. Whatever it is, it's on you, bro. You owe me one anyway. Oh, matter of fact, reminds me, we still gotta play one-on-one for the Yeezys, bro.
Yeah.
For the Yeezys. All right, so look, I did a video. Yo, watch out. I did a video not too long ago. Me and Dave, he said he can beat me. For whatever reason, Dave said he can beat me. I'm gonna keep it a buck. I don't hoop as much as I used to. I'm low-key trash, but I'm still good enough to beat David. David told me that we can do a shootout in this backyard. They've got a nice little hoop, you know what I'm saying? So we can do a shootout in this backyard. Comment down below who y'all think gonna win that shootout. Just put Snipe or Dave. He watched my video, so he gonna read my comments. Snipe or Dave. And if I lose, I was throwing my Yeezys in the pool. I will let y'all pick which Yeezys to throw in the pool. Don't really matter. I ain't gonna lose. All right, man, we here at Cumberland Mall. It's packed as hell, so it's a lot of people out here today. My camera's still dying, but I'm still using it until it dies all the way. I'm looking for a few pairs of shirts because, like I said, I don't have as much clothes as I need. I got so many pairs of shoes, don't have enough clothes or shirts. I didn't need more shirts. Shirts is the mission. Just some more shirts. So I'm gonna stop at a few stores. Hopefully I can find something dope. Got the homies with me and I'm starving, so hopefully I eat something good. Not sure if they're gonna kick me out the mall or not. When I came up here with Unbreakable, I was vlogging all damn day, so you never know. But I don't want it to be too much of a mall vlog, so I'm probably not gonna record too much, but I am gonna, since I'm here, you know, I'm gonna get something. We'll see more when we get inside. Alright guys, we are back at the crib, man. My battery died at the goddamn mall before I was even able to vlog the mall vlog, and then my phone died on top of that. So I know, I'm sorry I had to cut here. The vlog was litty, but we're just gonna end it here because I got something special I wanted to talk to y'all about, and I also had something special I wanted to unbox with. Shouts out to Slime_315. Check him out on Instagram. He sent me a painting. That is right here, guys. Yes, a painting, bro. I'm super excited to open this up. I haven't seen this yet, actually. I haven't seen this yet, so I'm gonna unbox it live. I got it yesterday, and I wanted to see it so bad, but I decided to wait because I wanted to, like, you know, y'all to get my first impressions and all that. But like I said, man, shout out to Slime_315. It's so crazy that, you know what I'm saying, my YouTube channel is actually making that type of impact to be able to get stuff like this from you guys. Like, I don't ask for anything, but it just means a lot when you reach out and ask to send stuff. It really do, man, because y'all don't have to do that at all. So, Slime315, bro, I appreciate you 100%. Thank you so much for watching the channel. Thank you so much for just rocking with me, bro. Like, real rap, I appreciate you, my guy. And I'm excited to open up this painting because it's huge, my guy. This is huge. So let's see what he got for me, boy. Hey, you got like a knife or something? Can you give me like a box cutter or something? I think I got one. It's right here. I'm gonna actually use a box cutter on this. I ain't gonna open it like I open my sneaker boxes because it's just a lot more delicate. And I appreciate it, Slime. I really do. I sound like a blood, bro. I appreciate it, Slime. Alright. Other side. I gotta flip it around. Alright. It's opened up. I want to see if there's anything else in there because I know a lot of times it might come with something else. A letter maybe. Alright, it came with a letter. Fix that camera back. You don't need that light in there. But it says, it says, what's going on? Boy, I hope you enjoy this custom piece. Love the vids. Keep pushing. Rashad, man. On the other side, it has his Instagram, which is Slime_315. I will drop that right there. And I will link his IG down below in the description, as well as it has his Facebook, which is Rashad Mustafa. This is his 12th canvas. And man, it basically says canvas your home, man. So once again, Rashad, aka Slime, bro, I truly appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching the videos, bro. Like, you didn't have to do this, and even like, it just means the world, bro. It really do. Like, genuinely from the heart, bro. I really appreciate it. Now let's see what we got, boy. Let's see what's going on, boy. Oh, it's 2 pieces. It's 2 pieces. Okay, okay, cool. So the first piece we got is a Michael Jordan motherfucker. Oh, yo, bro, this is fire, bruh. This is fire, man. Yo, Slime, thank you so much, bro. This is fire. Is the pic where Michael's crying over which ring is that? Is that his 6th ring? Is this the last ring? I forget, but this is one of the most iconic Michael Jordan pictures of all time. When he got that championship trophy, man, and he just crying like a baby over that joint, man. So this is crazy. Y'all know I love Brian. I think Brian is better than MJ, but hey, man, this is the guy right here. This is the guy that started the whole sneaker wave. I mean, bro, this is amazing. This is amazing. Wow, man. Make sure y'all follow my guy, Slime_315, bro. This is fire, bro. I appreciate you, my guy. What else we got in that thing, man? Because I seen one more painting. And never, bro. Never, bro. Oh my God. So, yo, check this out. He asked me, what's my favorite Jordan of all time? I told him the Black Cement 3s. So, as y'all can see, Black Cement 3s right here, size 12, my size. And then you get Bart Simpson over here with the shirt that say Snipe Squad on it. The shirt says Snipe Squad, boy. We're going on, boy. Snipe Squad, we in a building. My God, this one, even though I love the Jordan picture, bro, this one has a lot of personal stuff in it, man. This is my favorite Jordan of all time. Snipe Squad, y'all know what we repping, man. That is my gang to the death of me. I appreciate y'all for supporting this picture. Man, it means so much, bro. Hey, look, I'm about to catch a tear or something, man. Let me go ahead and, Alright, bro, like I said, man, yo, this is absolutely fire. And what's crazy is, before I was able to afford all these sneakers, before I was able to actually buy all these sneakers, this is how I actually used to be. Like, literally, when I used to go to Foot Locker and I used to see pairs like these that I couldn't get, I would literally be a window shopper just looking like, man, one day I will cop that, man. And you didn't even know that. But the fact that this picture, that's what it reminds me of. It's so personal, and you don't even, you know what I'm saying, you don't know me, but this picture, like, is so personal, bro. So thank you so much for 2 of the most amazing pieces I've ever seen in my life. Once again, Rashad, aka Slime315, y'all go check him out, man. This guy is a beast, and as y'all can see, man, his work is amazing. Thank you so much, bro. Well, after that, man, hey, it's really not too many ways you can end off a video, bro. That's like the best. That's like the best gift I think I've ever gotten, bro. Like, honestly, because it's from the simple fact of just support, man. That is crazy. Thank y'all so much for tuning in. Before we get up out of here, I have to tell y'all that I am on the road to 10K. 10K is the goal before the end of the year. Like, before the end of the year, I'm grinding for that 10K. So please subscribe to the channel if you already haven't. And on top of that, my next video is a video you guys have been waiting for a very long time. Shout out to Pain82. We had a conversation. He told me if I was to do a penny collection video, he would do a penny collection video. His is already up now, so go ahead and check his out. That will be my next video. The next video I will post will be my entire penny collection, boy. So that's gonna be pretty dope. A lot of y'all been DMing me and just telling me in my comments that would be a dope video. So hopefully y'all check that out. Pass it along to your mother, your sister, cousin, whoever, boy. Until next time, man, I will catch up with y'all. It is your boy, Sniper Jones. Thank y'all so much, man. I really appreciate it. Gang, gang.